Hi everyone, how are you all doing? I know it's been Valentine's Day and it's our first Valentine's Day as a married couple. So, what happened was my baby surprised me with a lot of gifts which I had no idea about. And this was, by the way, the first surprise he gave me. So, I was so in love. So, I'm gonna show you guys what all he gave me. Okay, so the first thing that I liked the most was the card. Okay, I'm gonna show you. This is the card. Yes, it says especially for the one I love on Valentine's Day. Yes, that was amazing. It was so big, so nice. And I thought this is it, but there was something inside. Yes. This is his first card for me and his first love letter for me. So I was the most happiest receiving this. I was literally on cloud nine. Yes. That's the first thing he gave me. It was actually a surprise. He surprised me the night before Valentine's in the car. I'll attach a picture of that, how he did. Okay, and he did give me a bunch of red roses, which I took them out and now they're in the pot. I'll show that as well in the clip. Then this cute balloon with all of that, we've put it for our toy here. Yes, and then this planner, which I've been wanting for a while as well. He did take notes and brought me a note. That's so sweet of him. Yes, now baby. Yes, so that's about that. I haven't started journaling yet, but I will sure do soon. Yes, and that's another one. And after the day was done, it was not done yet because I started getting more and more surprises. Today is 17, and I did get another surprise on the 15th, which is my favorite perfumes from Prada. I've been wanting this for our wedding actually, but I couldn't get it last minute. So he took notes again and he did give me the most sexiest perfume ever, which is the Prada Paradox. It's really nice. If somebody is trying to get some new perfumes, you can try this out. Yeah, that's another one. And then here comes the biggest and the best surprise which he got me today. And that's why I wanna record the whole thing and show you how much he loves me. Yeah, so this is the gift I'm talking about. This was actually, he ordered it on 14th of February, but Boots delayed it. Why, Boots? Why? So we only got it today delivered. It says Saturday, but we did receive it only today, which is 17th, which is quite a bit of delay. So anyone who's ordering from Boots, please be reminded that their transition time takes almost like 7 days. So yeah, let's unbox this. Okay, let me unbox this huge package. What's in this, Sora? So he's saying like this, which means he doesn't know. Let's see what's inside. This is also a surprise for us. So it's full. Let's open this here. Ooh, looks quite big. Ooh. You need to be strong. Yes, and let's open this way. Look, something red inside. Okay. Ooh! Wow! Wow, Sura! Wow! Let me open this part as well. Okay, guys, off record, we both took it out, and finally. Here's the gift! Yay! That's the Revlon Fine One Blow Dry Air Styler. Wow. I've been wanting this actually for a while. Dyson was on my list, but I wouldn't actually spend that much for a hairdryer. So, you never know, maybe later on. So first, I'm going to use this and give you guys a review about that. Thank you, baby, for the nice present. Love you. Let's unbox what's inside and see how it looks like. So I can see there are 5 attachments in this. All these 5. Let's see how they look like. Okay. Guys, I finally figured out how to open this after an eternity. See? This is the beauty in red. Ooh, wow. Guys, it looks stunning. Ooh, let us see what's inside. Okay. Wow. That's just a mark, trademark. Then we have all the 5 here. Let's see. The first and the main attachment, which is the blow dry brush. It is, I'm not gonna lie, it's a bit heavy and sturdy, or maybe because I'm holding it that way. Let me figure this out, guys. 1 second. So guys, this is the main attachment. As I've seen quite a few reviews, it's quite sturdy and big, but I think I'll manage. I'll give you guys a review once I start using. And this is the leaflet about all the 5 attachments. I'm gonna show you this. It looks like that's the main one. You can also buy just this alone, which is also for, I think, similar price of what I've got for all of these ones, I guess, because there is a Valentine's promo going on at the minute in Boots. So if anyone want to check out, yeah, you can. So this is the main one. This is the blow dry, I think this is the curl attachment, and then this is the blow dry brush, and this seems to be the comb. Like, you know, once you dry your hair, you can just comb with this one. And this is the main dryer attachment. Once you, like, on your wet hair, you can put this and dry it out. Then you can go in with this brush, and then with this one. Do you know, if you want to go with like a blow dry kind of finish, if you want to go for curls, then you can go for this 2 attachments. So I'm gonna try and give you guys a review on this. Yeah, thanks for watching. So yeah, this is all what I've got for this Valentine's Day. So please, you guys, share with us what all you have got, so we all can see and appreciate each other. Yes, so I hope you all had a good Valentine's Day. See you again in our next video. Bye.